and how you're the first doctor in Houston to get Discseel training. So can you elaborate on that for me?
Sure. So I trained directly under Dr. Kevin Pauza, the inventor of the Discseel procedure, back in 2020. So that was a time when very few people were trained on the Discseel procedure. I saw the value of this procedure and sought out that training with Dr. Pauza at that time. Since then, I've performed countless Discseel procedures. I'm the only doctor in Houston still to this day trained on the Discseel procedure. Also, in the state of New Jersey, I was the first doctor to incorporate the Discseel procedure into my practice. Now, Discseel Technologies, the company that Pauza founded, has named 2 physicians globally as master instructors for this procedure, and I'm one of those 2 physicians in the world that trains other doctors on this technique.
If I search for Discseel in Houston, then there are other places that show up, like Methodist Hospital or whoever. So no one there actually does Discseel?
That's correct. There are no doctors at Methodist or any hospital here in Houston that are trained on the Discseel procedure.
You're not only the first, but you're the only Discseel doctor in Houston.
To my knowledge, yes, sir.
Earlier, you said that you were trained by Dr. Pauza personally, and one of 2 people that are authorized to actually train other doctors. So could you clarify that you welcome out of state or out of country patients to come and see you here in Houston for this procedure?
Yes, indeed. The patients that inquire about this procedure often want to travel for the procedure. There may be physicians in their area that have been, quote unquote, trained by Discseel Technologies. However, many patients seek out either Dr. Pauza himself as the inventor of the procedure or one of the 3 of us as a master instructor, because that status implies that we've done more of these procedures than anyone else in the world.
So for me, I hear this sounds like it's part science, part art, and the art of knowing that this resistance is the right amount of resistance. So is that why it's important for people to come to a doctor like you, who is one of the master trainers and very experienced in this procedure?
I would say we need more doctors trained and they need experience. Most patients who are paying out of pocket for this type of procedure are going to seek out the help of someone who's done many of these. And so just like you would choose your surgeon wisely, if I'm going to get spine surgery, I want a surgeon who's done many of these procedures before. Of course, there are younger doctors who are just new to a certain technique or procedure, but patients who are paying out of pocket for this are going to seek out the care of someone who's done many of these. And the master instructors are the ones who've done the most. So yes, I would say that most are going to seek out the care of someone like myself who's done many of these procedures.